Artificial intelligence is shaping the future, and Meta AI is one of the leading ones. Whether you're using Messenger, you're using WhatsApp, Instagram, AI has become an essential part of our digital lives. In this video, we'll showcase how Meta AI is revolutionizing the way we communicate, create content, connect to the world. Plus, I'll share the tips on how to get the most out of these features in our day-to-day lives. Yeah, you may be there asking yourself this question, that what is Meta AI? Well, Meta AI is a project that incorporates and advanced artificial intelligence into apps and services, from messaging to virtual reality. Meta AI helps to enhance user experience with smarter, faster, and intuitive tools. So what's the matter here? With AI as its core, Meta's products can better understand the user preferences, improve communication, and simply complex tasks like summarizing text or even recognizing images. Meta has integrated into a variety of apps. Here is a quick look at some of the key apps using Meta AI right now. AI-powered responses, automated conversations, suggestions, and more. So this is my Messenger, and I'll go right here. You can find the Meta icon. Then we're going to type in, we're trying to bring the product picture. How long does it take to respond? What are the responses that Meta AI is giving to us? This one needs typing, so I'm sorry guys, I'm just gonna type. So my calendar is private, so Meta doesn't have access to my calendar. Meta AI helps with message automation and even supports chatbots to help businesses interact with customers. So suggest topics for my next Facebook post. So it has given me replies in technology, in health, in popular culture, and also it has provided the link. So since I'm using Meta, like I'm using the one integrated in WhatsApp, we're going to be using a voice note, because now I've typed for this, but now the next one, let's use a voice note. And let me ask Meta AI, can you translate this message into Spanish? So as we've seen, Meta AI has translated our message into Spanish. So our next prompt, we're going to ask Meta AI, recommend the best time to post on social media. Alright, so social media users, I think you read through since we're recording this. So let me ask her, how can I make an ad on Facebook for my business? Tell me a fun fact about today's date. Summarize the latest news in technology. Help me set up a group video call on WhatsApp. You can feel free to pause this video and you read through and let me know in the comment section what you think about this response, because I can't comment on this response since it will take a lot of time. The video length will be too long. What privacy settings can I enable on my Facebook account? Yeah, so there we have it all. That's how we've prompted. We don't have anything else to review about Meta AI, apart from just prompting it. So let's move on to our next one. Even on Meta's website and devices like Portal, AI personalizes user experience. So what we're gonna do, the Windows version, we're going to go to Google and type in Meta AI. Then we'll select Meta AI. Let me cancel this. Then we're gonna enter our prompts. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna copy and paste. That'll work best than doing it the old-fashioned way. Enter. So the ways how we can improve our Instagram engagement, these are the ways. So let's go to our next question. And I enter. This doesn't have access to our calendar because our calendar is private. Enter. Polls and games, industry trends, and seasonal and timely content. Wow. Okay. So let's go back to our question. Can you translate this message into Spanish? So it has translated our message into Spanish. Yeah. So our question says, Meta AI recommend the best time to post on social media. These are related answers. That means it's like we are doing the same thing all over again. I was just looking for a mistake somewhere, but we can't find it. How can I create an ad for my business on? So these answers are really the exact. There is not a big change, and actually they're alright. Maybe because it's we're using Meta. Meta is can easily access their servers. Anyway, let me know what you think in the comment section below. Let me know what you think. Summarize the latest news in technology. Okay, copy, paste. Help me set a group call on WhatsApp. So first things first, the versions, the stable internet connection. Okay, yeah, it's pretty cool. What privacy settings should I enable on my Facebook account? Okay, let's see. First of all, the password. Second of all, the two-factor authentication. Okay. So guys, let me know in the comment section what you think. Guess you've been following. Try to compare and give me the feedback in the comment section below so we can more understand these models very well. So lastly, before me leaving, let's go to the settings. We know how to blend the settings into. Okay, let's start with this icon. Here I can share these prompts. I can share, I can save, I can give feedback to Meta. Then I can, yeah, if it's a good response, as I've hovered and you've seen, the thumbs up, good response. Thumbs down, bad response. So let's go to the menu. So the menu, we can start a new conversation. So our Meta doesn't follow our conversation we had already. Then we can check the saved prompts. We have seen here the save. If I save this, when I go to our saved, can I call it a folder or something? I don't know. Okay, whatever it is, when we go to the saved page, we'll find the prompts that we've saved. Currently, if I'm to go to that page, no, I don't have anything. No, nothing yet. So here we have the history of all the prompts you've ever used since we have logged in. By the way, I didn't show you. When you log in, it's easier for Meta to keep your history and all that. Though Meta is open, you don't have to pay for it. Yeah. So here, start new conversation. Imagine with Meta. So let me imagine something. Let's try also this prompt of imagine sitting on the moon. Sitting on the moon. Okay, here we are. Indeed, sitting on the moon. So let's try these settings. Can I call it settings or additions? I don't know. Okay, whatever you may call it. We need to either download this image or report. Number one thing that I wanted us to talk about is the edit. So we can edit the image to maybe like we're sitting on a moon. Maybe we can say he's a black man or he's a what. Then we type in that and it will regenerate and change it. We also have the animate. We can animate these images. For instance, it's gonna take some time. Okay, it gives us some suggestions that we can make the moon surface vibrant and purple color. I like this shot. Wow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to 1vtech so I don't miss out more tech tips, reviews and tutorials. And as always, if you have any questions or any comments, please comment below the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, blessings.